In this lecture, we'll take a more closer look into type of activities that you can do as an automation developer. This is to give you a better idea of the activities that you can perform once you start your test automation career. The first task that you can perform is to, automate application functionality. While selecting test cases for automation, you need to keep a few things in mind. For example, pick deterministic scenarios, meaning those test scenarios that have standard results where we know that X input may only result in Y output. For example, we know that 2 plus 2 is always 4. The other type of scenarios are those that are repetitive and relatively unchanging, and going to be tested all the time or most of the time. Plus data-driven scenarios, where the same function needs to be validated with a large number of data sets, such as using different countries, or different employment statuses, or different dates. With these examples, I think you got the idea. Determining and automating such scenarios is the core job responsibility of an automation developer. The other thing you can do as an automation developer is to create utilities and tools to help automate all the repetitive and boring stuff that consumes lots of time and effort while you're doing your core automation tasks. For example, during my recent project, I was required to analyze and merge 10 different Excel data sheets. Each sheet had more than 30 tabs, and each tab with more than 30 data columns. I designed a Python script that can grab information from all the worksheets that were available in the Excel workbook. After determining the sheet's information, it pulls out all the column names from all the sheets and finally writes all the required information in a separate sheet. This script can pull required information within minutes that otherwise would have taken many hours. You should always have a focus on continuous improvement, as automation is all about efficiency and improvement. With your focus on improving automated testing efforts, as a first step, you can identify processes and practices that should be improved to allow an automation team to work more effectively and efficiently. Once the problem areas are determined, the second step is to identify approaches that can be used to rectify these problems. And finally, as step 3, share your knowledge with the team and make it a coordinated effort to be able to see the results of your suggested improvements.